In this video, we are going to learn how to use Vlookup formula and how to use this formula in day-to-day life. So I have a sheet with employees list, employee name, employee location, email address, and salary. So by using a Vlookup formula, I can get any details of an employee from this sheet. So I have approximately 45 employees here. So you can find out the values easily by scrolling up and down. But if you have more than 1000 or 2000 employees, then it is hard to find out the values. So then we can use VLOOKUP formula. So for this, you can copy paste any employee name. So I want to get salary of Advika Nagastri. So I have copy pasted Advika Nagastri name. Then I'm using the VLOOKUP formula. The formula is equals to VLOOKUP open bracket. Then you need to select the cell where employee name is there. So I have employee name in this cell, G4 cell. So I have selected this, comma. Then you need to select the entire table. So I want to find out value from this table. So I am selecting the entire table, comma. Then I want salary of that employee. So salary is in fourth row. So name is in first row, location is in second row, email address is in third row, and salary is in fourth row. So I'm typing it as 4, comma 0. 0 is an exact match and 1 is for approximate match. So I want exact match, so I'm selecting it as 0. Then you need to click on enter. Then I got salary of Advika Nagastri. And if you want any other employee salary, then you can simply copy paste, or you can type the name. Then you will get salary of that employee. So I want salary of Aparna. So I copied Aparna's name and I'm pasting it. Or you can type Aparna here, then you will get salary of Aparna. But it should be exact match from the table. So, and same way, I want email address of Aparna. Then here I need salary, that is why I kept it as 4. But if I keep 3, so email address is in third row, so I kept it as T. Then I will get email address of Aparna. And same way, if you want location of Aparna, then you can keep it as 2. Then I got location of Aparna. So this is how, so you can copy paste any. So Justin Free, I copied this employee name and I have pasted here. So then I got the location of Justin Free. And I want to know the salary of Justin Free. Then after table, you can select 4. Then I got salary of Justin Free. So this is how we use VLOOKUP formula. So this is how it will work. Now let's discuss how to use VLOOKUP formula in day-to-day life. So I have a sheet where I have employees' names, location, and email ID. And here I have name, location, email ID, and salary of employee. So by using VLOOKUP formula, I can get salary here. In this sheet, I don't have salary. So from this sheet, I can get salary of employees by using VLOOKUP formula in this sheet. So for that, so I'm using VLOOKUP formula, that is equals to Vlookup, open bracket. So I'm searching with employee name, comma. So here I have a table here. From this table, I want salary. So I have selected this table, then comma, and the salary is in fourth row. One, two, three, four, fourth row. So I will type it as 4, comma 0. So I got salary of Advika Nagastri. If I double click here, then I will get salaries of all the employees. So it is a small table, that is why it looks so easy to copy paste. But if we have some thousands of employees, it is difficult. Then we can use VLOOKUP formula. So this is the one thing we will use VLOOKUP formula in day to day life, to get values from one sheet to other sheet. And another thing is, we can use the formula for matching the data. For example, here I have 44 agents, but in this sheet I have only 36 employees. So I want to know who are missing from this table, who are missing in this table. So for that we need to match the data. For that we can use a VLOOKUP formula. So I'm adding a column to match the data. So I'm using VLOOKUP formula, that is equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket, and I need to select the cell where I have the employee name. So I need to only match the data. So I'm selecting only first row, comma 1, comma 0. So now if the values are matching, if the employee name is there in sheet 2, then I will get employee name. And if it is not there in sheet 2, then I will get a value as NA. So I got Advika Nagastri here. If I click double click on this cell, then the formula will get applied to every cell. So I got these employees names. So where I got NA, these names are not there in sheet 2. So I can apply filter here, and I can select NA. So these 8 names are not there in sheet 2 from sheet 1. So if you need information of employees from sheet 1, you can copy paste it. That is how we will match the data by using VLOOKUP. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe.